And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove background noise in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to remove background noise in your CapCut, then all you gotta do is simply go to your CapCut. Once you're in your CapCut, you need to now simply select your project, like your video or audio clip. Once you've selected it, you need to simply go to like reduce sound or enhance your voice option. So you can simply record your voice and simply tap on it to do so. You can also find it under the audio section. Like if you have your sound in that particular video, then you can simply find that option to enhance your sounds. So once you have done this, you will be able to simply get an automatic cleanup. CapCut uses AI to isolate and clean up the main voice, which is great for fixing fans, traffic, or room noise in a few taps. So this way you can simply remove background noise in your CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.